Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin's been holding on to its price very well. It's been consolidating between 96 and 97,000, but there is a lot of fear that's been injected into most of the altcoins, which is causing a lot of outflow of cash. But if we talk about Dogecoin, you can see that's actually holding very well, close to the support of 32 cents, and the trading volume has definitely dipped from 10 billion all the way down to 4 billion. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, there is a lot of people which are willing to hold the token for the long term. On the other end, you can see that Bitcoin is doing something similar, as it's just ensuring that the market does not move too quickly, as the fear and the greed index is definitely coming back to the center. This is very good because this will allow Bitcoin and most of the altcoins to actually have a bigger jump. When the greed is too high, you don't want that. And Taliban, which is ruling Afghanistan right now, actively trades crypto meme coins, and this was actually confirmed by a vlogger right here. Have meme coins lost their hype? Dogecoin, Pepe, and more. This is the worst title to read after seeing that Taliban is also trading meme coin. Dogecoin social dominance peaks as meme coin market faces uncertainty, and on the other end, Bitcoin social sentiment drops to yearly low. What does this mean? Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to go then push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. One thing that is important is make sure you subscribe if you want the latest and the greatest news first. Now, the first thing I want to show you is the way Dogecoin price has been acting. Now, it is a little strange in my opinion, because you will see that ever since we were able to climb back to 32 cents, I mentioned holding 32 cents support is going to be very critical for the Dogecoin price. But then we had a little bit of a run up. That sell-off pretty much caused all of the whales to unload their bag, or pretty much take their loss, who decided to purchase at a higher price. But what happened after? Well, there has been a consolidation which we have been facing. What's really important about this consolidation is to ensure that we're able to stay over the price of 32 cents. If we do fall quite sharply below 31, let's say, then we will be actually retesting some supports, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys don't want to see. The first previously tested support will be close to 26 cents, and then after that we will fall down to 20 cents. And that's why we're actually experiencing a lot of new articles coming out talking about how is Dogecoin on the way to fall all the way down to 20 cents. The only way this can be changed is if we're able to climb over 36 cents, as that will put us back into an uptrend and get away from this downtrend that we are in. Talking about the open interest, it's down about 8%, now sitting at 1.7 billion. And the long to the short ratio on the other end is still sitting very strongly in favor of long traders. Now, this was a really interesting news that came out. That's why I wanted to cover it, because this means the amount of money that's flowing through meme coins is huge. And that's because even some countries which are not in the perfect conditions are still having some sort of way to trade meme coins. Have meme coins lost their hype? Now, the only thing you should be paying attention to is if you look over here, now you'll realize that the meme coin market cap might have come down a slight amount, from about 115 billion all the way down to about 96 billion. But what is really interesting is the trading volume. It's still holding so strong, close to, you can say, 20 billion on average, and that's exactly what we should be looking forward to. As long as there's a lot of trading volume, the whales will make a recovery, and that's definitely going to be pumping up the market even harder. Now, Bitcoin open interest on the other end is holding really strong, close to 30 billion, and the long to the short ratio, it's pretty much very clear that the market is expecting the Bitcoin price to climb before it sees any sort of decline. Dogecoin social dominance peaks as the meme coin market faces uncertainty. Despite this uptick, the meme coin market as a whole saw a decline of 16%, contrasting sharply with 22% growth in the broader altcoin market. What's really interesting interesting you need to understand is the reason Dogecoin's social dominance is going up is because Dogecoin is very large meme coin, or actually the largest meme coin by far, and that's the reason. I mean, you can see the market cap difference between Shiba and Doge, and then if you compare it to the one below, Pepe is not far behind. So that's why when there's a lot of panic, a lot of money outflows from the smaller coins and comes back into the largest one, and that's why Dogecoin is seeing so much interest. But on the other end, Bitcoin, social sentiment around Bitcoin has hit its lowest point in 2024, which could signal an incoming recovery about 100,000 mark for the world's largest cryptocurrency. Why? Because the local traders are now showing severe FUD, and that's good news for the contrans who know market move in opposite direction of retail's expectation. So if the retail investors are deciding to take a leave, a lot of people are going to be buying and the market is going to be pumping up. But that's exactly what's happening right now. The whales purchased a lot of Dogecoin in the recent pullback, and the key support for Bitcoin now lies at 97,000 and 93,000. If the critical demand zone doesn't hold, we could see a sharp drop all the way to 70,000. And if you guys do not know, 70,000 would be very close to the previous bull cycle's all-time high. And the most significant support threshold for Bitcoin is between 99 and 97. As long as we're able to stay close to this zone, there is a very high chance that the reversal will be much greater compared to the pullback. And you guys can see that El Salvador is right now trending again. Now 46% drop, no problem. Dogecoin price to $10 still on analyst radar. There is a lot of analysts which are still predicting the Dogecoin price to do explosive when it comes to how it will react in the next run up, and the next run up being in 2025 as Christmas is so close. Why Dogecoin to 50 cents again is not as easy as you think, because it's going to be very heavily dependent on the way Bitcoin is going to perform. If Bitcoin is able to just keep up and actually keep to the higher highs, there will be a lot of chance for Dogecoin to climb to some big numbers. And Tether CEO says his firm wants to drive towards a crypto payment solution relationship with Rumble. Rumble being YouTube like social media. They're just trying to get more crypto involved in that platform. And Ripple makes another notable and calculated move for XRP exposure. In simple terms, Donald Trump's interest in crypto, we all know that, and then giving Donald Trump XRP worth $5 million is going to be huge, because Trump will definitely look into helping XRP. And rumors say Swiss government officially adopts crypto, or actually Cardano to be more precise, as its first ever national currency. That's huge, because Cardano is going to be seeing a huge pump from this, as Swiss government has a lot of control because of the Swiss franc, which is their currency. But right now there's definitely good things happening with crypto, and the growth only happens when the market is down. So right now you just need to be a little patient and you're going to be making a lot of profit. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.